In a boundless expanse of blue, a gentle giant sang to himself. His voice thrummed through the still waters, a yearning for companionship echoing in the depths. A tempest brewed overhead, a tiny bird creature, golden and vibrant, sought refuge. A tempest brewed overhead, a tiny bird creature, golden and vibrant, sought refuge. Bird tumbled down, landing softly like a feather on the whale's sturdy back. Together they floated, bound by trust. The small one shared tales of her lost kin, while a new kind of loneliness gripped the enormous friend. As their voices twined in melodious harmony, curious hearts gathered around. Bird from the depths and the skies flocked together, drawn to the enchanting duo. Approaching the flock, uncertainty bubbled within her. She longed for connection, yet feared separation. Their song rang out, but recognition felt elusive. A moment of panic arose. Beneath the vibrant sky, they flew on, unaware of her presence. Torn between old ties and new bonds, doubt clouded her heart. Gathering her courage, she sang with all her might. Their melody soared through the air, weaving through clouds, reaching her flock's ears with urgency. Suddenly, an awakening bloomed in the feathered crowd. They heard her call, the voice that felt like home. A realization washed over them. She was back! With a flurry of wings, they encircled her, delighted to have her again. But she hesitated, torn between the past and this cherished friendship. In Twilight's embrace, an unspoken promise lingered. True friendship transcended ocean and sky, a bond forged in both music and heart. They shared one last serenade, a melody of love that echoed into the twilight. It shimmered like the ocean, binding them forever. Under the twinkling stars, each took flight in their own world. Yet, in their hearts, a song of connection resonated, promising they would meet again.